So why didn't you space the operators as we usually do?
This
Yes.
X also.
Then plus A plus B, you didn't space it. Can you see it looks better? Even A minus B, A times B, A slash B, A divided by B. You didn't space.
A divided. Oh, and no space motor also.
Yes. Okay. Yes, correct. All right. But is this all?
Yes, sir, it is.
Why didn't you complete the page? The question said you should put it between script tags. It didn't say you should now ignore the other ones. So that means you should have your HTML, your head, title, and the rest. Why didn't you put those ones?
So.
So, yes, you can go and copy from here, yes. But you don't copy up to title. Then make sure that you change title to math operators. You've not copy up to title.
Yes, sir. That one is
Okay, yes, better. No, you paste it before script, not after, before.
Okay, sir. Oh, wait, okay, sir.
Yes. Hold on.
Oh, wait, I didn't know that.
Put the cursor. Okay. Okay, you can now delete that one. Yes. Okay, paste.
Wait, sir.
Paste. Copy. You've made mistake and copied. So go and copy
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay. All right.
I need to write.
Math operators. That's what we said we'll call it. I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you call math operators though.
Math operator.
Yes, that's the name of the file now. Is that not the file? What did you now
Oh,
call it? Mathoperators.html. Look at what you're typing now.
oh, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Where did that 2 come from? I'm seeing. How did that get there?
I was not
What's
part
that
of
2?
the two. The
Okay.
two is not part of it.
Okay. All right. No problem. Okay. No problem.
I don't know why I'm saying two.
I'm wondering myself. But no problem. Let's see how it will show on the web page. So
So
go and put
okay.
what?
I notice
No,
another.
go and copy the remaining part now.
I should copy the. Oh, okay, sir.
Yes. Copy everything. Hit enter. Yeah, correct. That's good. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So do you want to change the BG color? Okay. Then instead of saying welcome to my first page, let's change it to something.
I don't know what to put, sir.
You want to call it let me see, learning math operators or math operators in JavaScript, something like that. Okay. Okay. All right. So you can save it. Let's take a look at how it is.
I go have a little crack.
So there's a problem. Some things are not working as they should, right?
Is it the alert?
Yes. So let's go back to your code. Let's go back to your code and see what's wrong.
My alert is not working.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Let's go back to your code and see what's wrong.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So now what we're doing is called debugging. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
whenever you have a program and the program is not running as you expect it to run,
Yes,
that
sir.
means there's a bug.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
that error is called a
Yes,
bug.
sir.
Okay. Are you with your notebook?
Sir?
Are you with your notebook?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So why not write down today's date? Let's take note of some things.
Yes, I've already wrote the date.
Okay. Okay.
So
So let me
my
send.
title be math operator.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I've written it. No, sir.
I'm sending you something as in the chat.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So check your chat.
Yes, sir.
I just sent you
I said, listen.
about bugs. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in the chat it says that happens with day that it says day like day.
Where?
After happens says we day.
Oh, sorry. It's supposed to be say. Let me see if I can edit it. Okay, I can't
sir.
edit it. So check it to say, not they.
Say, okay.
Yes.
I'm finished, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's now. I want you to look at the code yourself. Can you see anything that's wrong?
Yes, sir.
What did you say that's wrong?
I'm going, sir. Let me. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Look
Uh,
at it very.
yes,
That place there's
yes,
where
sir.
you are. Uh-huh. Are you looking at the question I sent?
Oh, yes, sir. I see it now.
Hmm. All right. So
Okay.
fix it.
I forgot to do quotation marks.
No, it's not quotation mark that you forgot to do. Look at the question very well. The alerts. Look at it very well now. Are you looking at your WhatsApp now? I expect you to check your WhatsApp now. Go and look at the question I sent to you.
Oh, oh, I see it, sir.
Fix it, fix it, fix it. Where did you see plus? I think
no,
you should put
I don't mean to put
okay.
plus.
So you remove that assignment operator there. Exactly.
Mm,
Good. Okay. I think every other thing seems to be okay.
yes, sir.
So try it again. Uh-huh. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's explain the code. Do you do you feel is it something that you can explain? Let's look at it. Let's look at the code.
Yes, sir. So because my VA, I add my, so the sum of my 12 and the 3 equals 15, which is what it says in my, it says sum is 15. And for the different, is the
Mm,
difference of this and my answer. And for the, wait, so I had to look at my lesson. And the difference between it is 9. And for my product, it is
what exactly?
my answer.
The difference between what?
The difference is between A and B, which is 12 and 3.
Okay. So 12 minus 3 is 9, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And for the product, it is A times B. So
Mm-hmm.
12 times by 3 is
Mm,
36. And show me
mm-hmm.
36.
And
And
where
for
does
the,
that 30, hold on. Where is that 36 stored in?
yes, sir. I mean, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, that variable, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And for my
Okay.
quotation, wait, I'm coming, sir.
Yes. Okay, go ahead. Mm-hmm.
For my quotation, we divide both of them.
Quotient, not quotation.
I mean, quotient, yes, sir. The
Mm.
quotient, it is 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And that's what it shows me on my stuff. And
Okay.
for the last one, it is
Mm.
this one comes up.
Yes, go ahead.
And and that there's no remainders when you divide 12 by 3.
Good. Excellent. Well done. Well done. That's a good job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I want you to change this code slightly. Are you ready to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you to choose a number that when we divide
7.
uh, that there will definitely be a remainder. So go ahead and change.
Um,
What do you want to change? You want to change 12 to 7 or 3 to 7?
this to 7.
All right,
7,
go
7.
ahead.
I've changed
Okay.
it, sir. So do I check my code?
Yes, go ahead and check your code.
And now it says my sum is 10, difference is 4, and the remainder is 1.
Did you notice the quotient, that the quotient
Yes,
too
yes.
changed?
It is a
So what did
it is 2.33333333333335.
up to 5, right? And ends with 5.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. I wait.
7 divided by 3 is actually 2.3, isn't it? Is it?
Yes, yes, I did.
Okay. So what's the remainder? The remainder is 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you explain that? When you divide 7 by 3, how many times does 3 go into 7?
So 3 go by 2, remainder 1.
Exactly. So can you see, I purposely put that modulus operator, the one that looks like a percentage sign. I know that we've
Okay.
not discussed, but at least you've learnt it now, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So do you want to write down these codes, or you just, at least you understand what they're doing, right?
I understand what they're doing, sir.
Okay. Did you have any questions from any of them?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So what I wanted to equally say about this is that, can you see that assignment operator, some assignment operator that shows in your alert box, the
Yes, sir.
assignment operator is within the quotation mark. That's why it showed. Did you notice that?
Oh, yes, sir, I did.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Thanks.
Okay, so let's change the code one more time. What do you want to change? 7 or 3? Which one do you want to change it to?
3.
What do you want to change 3 to?
But can I change
Okay, you
both of
want?
them? Can I change both of
Of
them?
course, of course. Go ahead.
Can it be a big number?
That's fine.
Yeah. Oh, I'll change this out.
Okay, all right. Go ahead and test your code again.
It says my sum is 25, difference is
Okay,
17, product is
all right.
84, quotient 5.25, and
Okay,
remainder is 1.
okay, all right. Is the quotient correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? 21 divided by 4 is 5 whole number 1 over 4, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. And 1 over 4 is 0.25. Am I right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that's why it's 5.25.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So that is correct, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So I wanted to say something about variables. Have you noticed something, that variables can only hold one number at a time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to just demonstrate that one time. So I want you, can you see that place where you have let's see.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, we're going to change this code back to what it is currently. Okay. So I want you
Yes, sir.
to change that QUOT. You see that place where you have QUOT.
Wait, yeah, this place.
var QUOT in the code, not, I didn't say at the top. var QUOT. You've not seen var QUOT where you declared it as a variable, not there. The place
Huh?
you declared it as a variable.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah. Change it to ANS, ANS.
Sir? A.
A-N-S.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now, the one that comes after it, that MOD, I want you to
MOD.
delete, yes, delete the MOD and delete the VAR.
Where's the MOD?
Just below it now, var MOD. You've not seen var MOD.
Yes, I've seen those things.
Delete the MOD and delete the VAR. Now replace it with ANS.
Does
Good.
that mean
Now,
answer?
stand is short for answer. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I want to explain something. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So if you notice, after I declared ANS, VAR ANS, in the line above,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You
Yes,
just
sir.
declared it. Did you
Yes, sir.
notice that when I want to use the variable again, I don't need to
Yes,
declare it again? Did you notice that?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I noticed that.
So
Yes, sir.
what does that tell you? How many times can you declare a variable?
Once.
Thank you. So you declare it once and you can use it several times. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you see that place where you have QUOT and where you have MOD in the alert?
QUOT.
Yes. Change both of them to ANS.
Okay.
Do you know why you are changing it to ANS?
And why, sir?
Because you don't have those ones again now. You've just replaced them. Didn't you notice?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me explain something to you. If you had left it as QUOT and left that other one as MOD, do you know that there will be an error in your code? Do you know that?
Yeah. No, sir.
Okay. I would have allowed you to do it so that you will see the error. The error is because JavaScript will tell you you are using a variable you did not declare. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's very, very particular about that. So that is one of the rules of JavaScript. Before you use a variable, you must declare it. And that's the reason why immediately you finish declaring ANS and putting A/B, A divided by B, you can now use it in the alert box, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Again, because you've declared ANS, you are free to use it in another expression, A modulus B. That's the A percentage sign B, the one
Okay,
that
sir.
comes after it. And then in the alert, you are still free to use it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you can go ahead and test your code now. Let's see what will happen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nothing happens, sir. Nothing happens, sir.
It did not show the. It didn't show the alert.
He did. He did. He did. He did.
So why did you not say nothing happens?
I
Or
meant.
what you meant to say was
I meant. I
nothing
meant to
different.
say.
Uh-huh.
I meant to say
What
nothing
did,
is different.
okay, nothing is different, right?
Yes, sir.
What that tells you is that your code ran without an error. So nothing is different. So let us explain the code. Let me go back to the code. Let me explain it. So did you notice that the first time you used ANS,
Yes,
in
sir.
that place where you have A/B, go to where you have quotient.
Yeah.
Put your yes. At that point, what was inside ANS?
Yes, sir.
And I need an answer from you. What was inside the variable ANS at that point?
The answer.
Yes, what was inside there? What was inside ANS?
I don't get what you mean.
What's the number? What value is inside ANS? 21 divided by 4 is
Oh,
what?
5. Is it 5.25?
Yes, 5.25. Now, Go to the next line where you now have ANS assignment operator A modulus B. What do you
Yes,
think
sir.
will be inside ANS at that point?
Number 1.
Thank you. Did you now notice that the ANS that was 5.25 before, now
Yes,
it
sir.
has changed from 5.25 to what?
1.
Thank you. And that tells you that a variable can only hold one number at a time. Immediately you put another number inside, the former one that was inside, it will throw it out. Did you get
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please write that in your book now. You can leave a line and just write it.
Well,
Variables, a
yes,
variable can only hold one number at a time. Just write that down. If you want me to send it as a chat, just let me know.
no, sir. A variable
Okay.
can
Only hold one number at a time.
yes, sir.
Immediately you assign another number to it.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Immediately you assign another number to it, comma.
Immediately
You assign another number to it, comma. Shall I continue?
yes, sir.
Okay, immediately you assign another number to it, comma.
Yes, sir.
That new number replaces the former number that was in it. That new number replaces the former number that was in it. That new number replaces the former number that was in
Yes,
it.
I'm finished.
Okay, that's good. All right, you can put your full stop there. Okay, so I know that today's topic was math operators, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, we're going to talk about math operators now. So you can now go to a new line. In JavaScript, we
Wait,
have
is it in my
different...
book? Is it in my book?
Yes, in your book now.
Yes, sir.
In JavaScript, we have different math operators.
Yes, I'm
In
finished.
JavaScript, are you done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's take note of them. They are... So you can... They
Wait,
are... Then you
sir.
can put a colon in your book. Okay, so let me send you what I want to say now as a chat. Just hold on a bit.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I'm going to explain it. Anything that you see that you don't understand, I will explain it.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? Who's this rapper? What did you do? I know. Get out.
I hope you're not playing.
No, sir.
Okay.
Get up in my room.
I allowed you. I didn't ask you to turn on your camera today, but please don't make me have to ask you to be turning on your camera all the time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, check your chat. I just sent you something now.
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
Really, sir.
I'm coming. Just hold on.
Okay, sir. Hey, yes, sir.
Yes, I am. Just hold on. I'm sending it. Just wait.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir. Finish, sir. I'm finished, sir.
Okay. All right. So I want to explain what you just wrote down. What do you have? What did you write
Sir,
down
what?
first? Okay,
Sir?
operators, right? You
Sir?
wrote down binary operators.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Hold on.
Hmm?
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir. I can hear you.
Okay. All right. I said, what do you have in your note? What did you write down now?
I wrote for binary operation plus
Binary what?
binary operations.
Binary operators, not operation.
Operators. Operators
Or
also.
did you write operation in your book?
Sir?
What did you write in your book? Operators or operation?
Operator.
Uh-huh. So what do you understand by the word binary?
I don't know anything about binary.
Okay. So I want to explain what binary means. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So maybe you can write it in your book beside the colon there. I hope you did not put anything on that same line in your book.
And no, no, sir, no, sir.
Okay. So you can put in bracket
Yes, sir.
operators that have two operands.
Operator.
Operators
Sir,
that have.
can I write it in the chat?
Okay, sure.
I see it, sir.
Okay. You know where to write this, right? Just
Yes, sir.
beside the colon for binary operators.
I should write it next to binary operator.
Yes, that's what binary means. Operators, binary operators are operators that have two operands. Don't worry, I'll tell you what operands.
So what is operands?
Operands are the you see that A and B in your code.
Yes, sir.
Those variables. So when you
I
have
see it.
A plus B, okay, the
Yes,
plus
sir.
sign is a binary operator. The
Okay.
A and the B are the operands. Does it
Wait,
make
sir.
sense?
Wait, sir, please. My sister is shouting.
Your sister is shouting. I don't get.
No, she's shouting. No, because she's calling my mom. So she's shouting my mom's name.
I can't hear anything here. Is she disturbing you?
Yes, sir.
Can you maybe move away from where she is?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm coming, sir.
Okay. And when you are done moving, let me know.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was talking about operands. So you
Yes,
have
sir.
the A and the B. When you have A plus B, okay, that
Yes, sir.
A and the B are the operands, while the plus sign is the
Yes, sir.
operator.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
get it now?
Oh,
Uh-huh.
yes, sir. I get it. I
So
get it.
uh-huh. So if you look at even the minus 2 is a binary operator. Why? Because it acts on how many operands at a time? 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Wait,
The
sir. I should write
asterisk.
it. Sir, I should write it next to the binary operations.
And now, where did you write
Okay.
it?
Okay, sir. Now I'll just check in again. I've already wrote it. I'll just check in again.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so that's what applies to asterisk, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay. Now
Yes,
let
sir.
us talk about unary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So even though we've not looked at those ones, but let me just tell you about them. Okay.
Yes,
So the
sir.
unary operators are operators that have only one operand or
Yes, sir.
variable. Can you write
Yes,
that
sir.
down?
Oh, I should write that down.
Yes.
Wait, sir. Instead, can you just write it in the chat?
Okay. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I see it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you still writing?
No, I'm done.
Okay, me too. I'm done.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about the unary operators. Okay.
Do I write the one you sent next to the unary operators?
Yes, yes. The same way you
Okay,
did for the binary operators.
okay,
Beside the
sir.
colon.
Yes, sir. I
Uh-huh.
wrote it. I
Just
wrote it. I wrote it.
okay, good. Okay, so let's talk about that unary operators. So are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, that's good. All right. So let's do some code before we write. So go back to your code screen now.
Sir, you're lagging.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay,
So
good.
we're doing some codings.
Yes. So go and put your semicolon after that guy.
After where?
The alert, the last alert.
Oh yes, sir, yes, sir. So I forgot to.
Okay. Okay. So hit enter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we want to do now is we want to see unary operators, okay?
Unary, yes. Do I write unary operator?
No, I didn't say you should write anything. No. Well, you
Okay.
have already written it in your book, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
We just want to see how they behave. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're going to use A and B to do our practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I want you to do something for me. Since you
Yes,
have
sir.
A and B, okay, let's create a variable C. So go ahead and say var C on that next line.
Yeah.
Yes.
EARC. I mean C.
Yes. Then put your assignment operator after it.
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask you just for fun. What kind of operator is the assignment operator? Is it unary or binary?
Binary.
Why did you say it's binary? Explain.
Because it like I don't know how to explain it.
How will you have to if I tell you to defend your answer before a panel, will you tell them you don't know how to explain? You just said now that something is binary. Explain it now. Try your best. That's what will show that you understand what I just explained. You said we said that binary
Sir, can you just tell
operators
me?
are
So I don't get it.
okay. What did I say about the plus sign? What did I say about A plus B?
A plus B.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. What did I say about A plus B? When I was explaining binary operators, what did I say?
So can you say it again?
So I said that A
Yes, sir.
within A plus B.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
No, sir.
You still can't hear me.
I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Okay. I said that the A and the B
Yes, sir.
are
Yes, sir.
the operands, isn't
Sir,
it?
the A and the
A
B
and B operands.
operants. Yes, sir. Operants.
How many are they? Are they not two in number?
Yes, sir.
What is in between them? Is it not plus sign?
Yes, sir. Addition sign. Yes, sir.
The addition sign. That addition sign is the addition operator. Does that not make it a binary operator?
Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So look at your assignment operator. Is it not between two things?
Yes, sir, it is.
What are the two things that it is between? Something on the left hand side and something on the right hand side, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that not what makes it a binary operator?
Yes, sir. Sir.
So can you now defend it if you have to explain it to somebody?
Sir.
Can you explain it to somebody if you have to explain it to somebody?
So for example, for the addition, he combined like it combines it, and it's like in the middle of two things.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so that's what makes it binary, isn't it?
Is that a good explanation?
Yes, that's fine. That's okay. Then for the assignment operator, it's also in the middle of two things, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's continue. So go back to where you are typing. So what you're going to type after the assignment operator there, you're going to put A and then put plus plus.
Plus plus. Oh, so.
Okay.
Should I put space?
No, don't put any space in between this one. The reason is
Yes, sir.
because two of them are seen together as one. Okay. So you
Yes,
just go
sir.
ahead and put your semicolon.
Sir?
Put your semicolon. Okay. Now hit enter. Now we're going to do an alert for A, and we're going to do an alert for C. Okay, so the first alert, go ahead and type your alert. And then put your quotation marks.
Yes, I've put that.
Okay, good. So in between those quotation marks, you will say C equals, C equals, you put your assignment operator.
Oh, okay. C equals.
Okay, then after the quotation mark, you know what to do. Put your concatenator and put C. Concatenator.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm with you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I said put your concatenator and put C.
I contact. Sir, what is wrong with your background?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Sir, is that it?
Yes.
And I put.
C.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, put your semicolon. On the next line,
Yes, sir.
do the same thing for A. Alert, and then instead of C, A. Do
Yes.
everything you did for C, but for
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. C equals.
not C again now. A, not
Oh,
C.
sir. A equals quotation mark contraction. Add A. I'm finished, sir.
Semicolon.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Semicolon. Semicolon.
All right. So let's test the code. Let's see if you can explain what happened back there.
C is 21. A is 22.
Okay, so go back to your code. Can you explain why is it that C is 21 and A is 22? Meanwhile, you have an assignment operator between them. The assignment operator, we're told the assignment operator takes what is on the right-hand side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And puts into the thing on the left-hand side.
Sir?
Assignment operator takes what is on the right-hand side and puts it into the thing, the variable on the left-hand side, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So how come the right-hand side and the left-hand side are not the same? Do you have any answer to that?
No, sir.
Okay, don't worry, let me explain it. Now, I just want you to listen carefully. You will understand it. It's not hard. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want you to look at that line where you have VARC, assignment operator A++. Did you notice that the plus plus is
Increases 1.
yes, it increases by 1. It comes after the A. Did you notice that it is on the right-hand side of the A?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, anytime you see that kind of thing, I want to explain to you what it means. Anytime you see that the plus plus comes after the variable, okay, it means that the first thing you will do is to take the content, it will take the content of that variable first.
Yes, sir.
So what is inside A before that line? Can you look at
A is here.
what was inside it? What value was inside it? What number was inside it?
21.
Good, 21. So because 21 was inside A,
Yes, sir.
then that plus plus came is on the right hand side of A, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it will first take the current value of A and quickly put it into C.
Yes,
That
sir.
is why you notice that C was 21.
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Yes.
Don't test it again yet. Don't worry, you will see it. Go ahead. Okay, you want to check it.
C is 21 and it's
Good.
and A is 22.
Yes. Now, did you see what
Sir,
happened
can
back
I
there?
explain why?
Okay, yes, go ahead.
So, because the reason why A is 22 is because the plus plus equals 1. So A 21 add plus 1 equals 22, and the plus plus
Good.
is add 1. So yeah, it equals
Yeah,
22.
correct. Okay. But then, so the reason, but do you now understand why C is 21 and A became 22?
Yes, sir.
Because of that plus plus that came after the A, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's switch. I want you to go to that line, okay? I want you to copy, I want you to copy from verse C, copy verse C.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, copy it all the way to the last alert. Copy it. Have you copied it?
Sir, is it this?
Yes, copy it.
Yes, I copied it.
Okay, that's good. All right. I want you to hit enter after the last semicolon. Paste.
Okay, sir. Paste.
Okay. All right. So I want you to change. First, you're going to change C to D.
In this one. Yes, sir.
Yes, that one that you just.
Yes, I did.
Everywhere you see C, change it to D, including verse C.
Eh?
Yes.
Including here where you add it.
Of course, of course. That's not
Yes,
adding.
I've
That's
done it.
Then you see that A plus plus. I want you to change it to plus plus A. Change the position of the plus plus to the front of A, to the left hand side of A. Yes, correct. Okay. So go ahead. Let's test it.
I should test it, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Test it.
25, difference is 17, 84, 5.25, remainder 1. C is 21, A is 22, and D is 23, and A is 23.
Can you explain it?
So because so the reason why D is 23 is because the so A is 21. Wait, but there's there,
Now you have
wait,
to be careful.
there's 2 additions. So why is it 23, not 22?
That's why it is 23 now. You just said the reason why. There are 2 additions. So the first addition happened when you have A plus plus. Did you
Okay.
get it?
So because it's on the right hand side, it's adding 1.
Thank
But if it's on the
you.
left hand side, it's adding 2.
No. It's still adding 1. It's just try and listen, okay? Just don't worry, you'll understand it. It's on the left hand side. Remember what I said when I was explaining, and that's why I told you should listen. Just try and understand what I'm explaining. You see
Yes,
that
sir.
place where you have verse C,
Verse C, yes, sir.
and you have A plus plus.
Yes, sir.
Did you notice that the A came before the plus plus?
Yes, sir.
Good. So because that A came before the plus plus, that is why it took the value of A first. It has not increased by 1, no. I hope you understand.
Okay,
It
so
took
yes,
the
sir.
value of A, which was 21. That is the reason why C is 21. And A became what? 22 after that. Did you
Yes,
get it?
sir. Yes, I get
Now
it,
look
sir.
at that one that has VAD. What happens there? The plus plus comes before A. What does that tell you? Before it will take the value of
It's
A, it will
adding.
increase it by 1 first.
Yes, sir.
Remember that A is already 22. 22 plus
Yes,
1
sir.
is what?
Okay, 22 plus 1 is 23. I get it now,
Good.
sir.
So
I
that
get
is
it
the
now.
reason why B is 23 and A is also what? 23.
Yeah, it's because A is 22 already, because you've already added A to 22.
Yes.
So because so it's adding before he adds to the A. That's why D equals 23.
So that's the thing. It has already it increases it by 1 again. That's all.
Yes, sir. I get it now,
So
sir. I get it.
now what I want you to pick from this small demo that we just did now is
Yes,
that
sir.
the position of the plus plus matters.
Yes, sir. It matters very much.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir. It matters.
When the plus plus comes after A, what happens? It will pick the value of A first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And do the increment by 1 later. Did you
Yes,
get
sir.
that?
Yes, sir. I get it,
But
sir.
when the plus plus comes before A, like where
Yes,
you
sir.
have VAD plus plus A, it
Yes,
will
sir.
increase A first before it takes the value and gives to the. Did you get that?
Yes, sir. I get it, sir.
Okay. Don't worry. The more you see it, you understand it. All right.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
let's see if we can do a short demo for B. So you see that where you have from verse C all the way to the last alert.
This one.
Verse C, where
Yes,
you
sir.
have verse copy it. Copy from verse C all the way to the last alert.
This one.
Yes. Have you
This one.
copied it?
Yes, I've copied.
Okay. All right. So you know what you did now. Put your cursor after the semicolon and hit enter.
And
All right. Now
I paste.
yes.
Do I
Now
change?
you are going to yes, of course. You change
Change
that verse C.
everything.
Hold
Yes,
on,
sir.
hold on. Change verse C to E.
Yes, sir.
Change that A plus plus to B minus minus. Good. Now on the next line, you know what to do now. Alert E.
Alert.
On the next line now, where are you going to? No, where are you going to? Don't change that. That's not what I'm talking about. We are done with that part now. You forgot to.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. E.
You are still working on the wrong one. Go back to where you have E.
Okay.
Va E, va E, va E, va E.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Change. You look at the alert underneath. Change that C to E. Then change that A to B on the next one.
B.
To B, yes. Then go to the next line. Change that A, that plus plus A to plus plus to minus minus B. Change that D to F. You've not changed it on the same line, no. Va D. Change that va D to va F.
Oh, yes, sir. Va D to va F.
Good. Good. Go to the next line now. Put the F as expected. Yes. Okay. Your spaces. Put your spaces right now. Arrange your spaces well. That space after the F, I don't think you need that space. Yes. Then the other side too. Yes, correct. Remove that space. I don't want that space there. There's no need for a space there. Okay. All right. Go to the next line. Change that A to B. Yes. Test your code and explain it quickly.
It says C is 21. A is
We have done this
22.
one. Yes.
Okay.
E
is 4. B is 3. And F is 2. And B is 2.
Good.
Okay. Wait. Can I go back to my... Okay. So the reason why E is 3 is because B is 4. And so you add
the first explanation, hold on. The first explanation I need from you is the reason why E is 4. Why is E 4 and B E? Why is E 4 and B 3?
Wait, I'm coming to... Let me check my... Oh, E is 4. How is E 4?
Look at it now. Explain it. Look at this. Use the same explanation I used for the one I just finished explaining to you. Look at the position of the minus minus. Remember what I told you. The position of the minus minus.
Is it because it's after it's on the right hand of B?
Exactly. Because it's on the right hand. And because it's on the right hand, it will take what is in B first and put it inside E before it will do that minus minus.
Oh, okay, sir.
Do you understand now?
Yes, I understand, sir.
So the current value of B, is it not 4?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why E is also 4. But now, after it takes 4 and puts in E, guess what will happen to B? That minus minus will now happen to it and it will become what? 3. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Good. Now let's go to the next line. The next line
F.
says var F, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The reason why F is 3 is because we've taken the one first.
F is 2, not 3. F is 2.
F was 2.
Check it now. Run the code.
Okay, sir. F is 2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, explain.
The reason why F is 2 is because it's on the left hand. It has the left hand of
Yes.
B.
It's not just because it's on the left hand of B. The minus is on the left hand of B. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So that minus will be done before taking the value of B. And remember, B before that time was what? Was it not 3?
Yeah, 3. Oh, okay. Yes, no. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now. So
Now
3
I get
minus
it.
1 is what?
2.
3 minus 1 is 2, isn't it?
2.
So both F and B will be what? 2.
2.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So I think we can stop here for today. I just wanted you to see this binary and unary operators. All of them are math operators. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll I'll send you homework. Okay. So did you understand everything we did today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So my regards to Shalom. I hope he's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Bye-bye,
Okay.
sir.
So you know when
Have a good day, sir. Sir?
Do you remember when we're having our next class?
Yes, sir. Saturday.
Saturday, what time?
5:30.
You and who are doing 5:30 on Saturday? It's 3 now. You forgot to.
Oh, so sir. 3. Yeah, 3.
You don't. Don't forget to.
Yes, I'm so sir.
Okay, no problem.
Bye-bye, sir. Have a
All
good
right.
day.
So see you then.
Yes, sir. Have a
All
good
right.
day,
You
sir.
too. Bye.
Bye.